to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are quickly introducing our new Woodgrain Cardstock in neutrals. I am so in love with this cardstock. It's this beautiful thick cardstock that has this awesome kind of embossed wood grain texture to it. And so in this pack you're going to get 2 of the white, 1 of the light brown, 1 of the gray, and 1 of the dark brown. One of the reasons I really love the white cardstock in it is that you can also do inking techniques on it as well, with maybe distress oxide inks or watercolors could be really cool too. Here you can see that beautiful texture that the paper has. Isn't that just stunning? I love the gray. I feel like it's really trendy with all the gray wood floors that people have been putting in their homes lately. So here you can see that beautiful texture on the gray. And then up next we have the dark brown, which I absolutely adore as well. And then we'll take a look at that light brown with that great texture, and also the white too, which might be my favorite because I just love that it's white cardstock with a little extra something. So next up we have some gorgeous examples by the design team, and I love this card that Nicole created with the awesome lighter brown wood grain. Melissa used a full sheet of the white wood grain cardstock as the base for her layout, and I love all that texture it gives. Here, Kay used it as the little hill for her owl and her pumpkin, which I think is just adorable. And then here, Shari stamped some snowflakes on the white cardstock to create this beautiful card. Here, this card by Lynette is so sweet. I love that shaker apple on that lighter brown wood grain in the background. Kristen did some outside-in die cutting from the white wood grain paper, and I just love the looks that she created with this. And she also did some die cutting into the gray wood grain, and it's such a perfect color for Halloween. Elena used the white wood grain paper as her card base and created a frame of the brown wood grain paper, and I love the two layered together. And then Letitia used the white wood grain as her card base as well, and I love the extra added punch it gives to her card. So I cannot wait to see what you guys do with the new wood grain cardstock, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!